For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9. In one of the best T20 witnessed so far, on Sunday, Kings 11 Punjab defeated Mumbai Indians in the second super over. It was indeed breathtaking to witness two consecutive super overs for the first time in the history of IPL. As the scores were tied at 176 in 20 overs, the game headed into the first super over of the game. KL Rahul started the proceedings with a single before Pooran got out on the second ball, with Mumbai Indians conceding 4 runs of the next 3 balls. On the last ball of the over, Bumrah delivered a perfect yorker and wrapped Rahul in an LBW and helped Mumbai Indians restrict Kings 11 Punjab to 5 runs. Needing 6 runs to win, Mumbai Indians went ahead with Rohit Sharma and Quinton de Kock, while Kings 11 Punjab picked Mohammad Shami to defend 5 runs. Shami's brilliant bowling kept things tight and gave Mumbai Indians just 3 runs from the first 4 balls. Needing 2 runs to win, de Kock was caught short of his crease while completing the second run, and the match headed to the second super over. The rules of the game meant that neither Rahul, Pooran, Huda, Shami, Bumrah and de Kock could bat and bowl again in the match. Mumbai Indians batted first in the second super over, opening with Kiran Pollard and Hardik Pandya. For Kings 11 Punjab, Chris Jordan hustled through his run-up to bowl the second super over. Jordan almost conceded a 4, but Mayank Agarwal's heroics saved some runs for Kings 11 Punjab, limiting Mumbai Indians to 11. Defending 11, MI turned to Trent Bolt, while Chris Gayle and Mayank walked out to bat. Chris Gayle hammered a 6 over the long on the first ball and then ran a single. With 5 needed from 4, Mayank went aerial over the offside to hit a 4, scripting a win in IPL's first ever second super over. The best batsman of the game was definitely KL Rahul, as he smashed 77 runs in 51 deliveries. KL Rahul smashed 77 runs in just 51 deliveries against Mumbai Indians in Dubai. The batsman smashed 7 boundaries and 3 sixes, while he registered a strike rate of over 150 during his innings. The best bowler of the match was Mohammad Shami for his brilliant bowling throughout the game, especially the super over. In his quota of 4 overs, Mohammad Shami bagged 2 crucial wickets and gave away 30 runs against Mumbai Indians in Dubai. The speedster registered an economy rate of 7.50. The match was a thriller right from the start, as players from both the teams gave Sunday chills to their fans. Opting to bat first, MI scored 176 runs, all thanks to de Kock's brilliant knock. Whereas for Kings 11 Punjab, KL Rahul was the man under the spotlight as he scored a quick 77. It was indeed a Sunday thriller. Fans were up for another hour to watch one of the best games in IPL so far. Kings 11 Punjab skipper KL Rahul was thrilled after winning the match.
It's not the first time, I'm getting used to it, but we'll take the 2 points however they come. After wicket-keeping for 20 overs, batting in the first 6 is very crucial. We knew it would get slow with their decent spinners, so Mayank and I got a good start over 50 runs. When Chris plays against spinners, I trust them to take down the spinners. Chris coming in helps. He is an experienced player and knows how to carry the team through. You can't prepare for super overs. No team prepares for super overs. You have to trust your bowling group, and it is important you let them believe their instinct and gut.
With the win, Kings 11 Punjab have certainly got back their momentum and are still eyeing for the playoffs. Every match will be crucial for all the teams, as the competition this time is surreal.